gotta come clean with something with you guys. For the past 3 years, I kept a secret I was totally ashamed of. I felt like a complete hypocrite giving medical advice, yet I'm doing something that's physically and emotionally hurting me. And what's worse is that I'm in the medical field and I should be aware of this. That addiction is nicotine. When I got into medical school, I noticed a large proportion of students who vaped nicotine. I would look at them and I was like, man, how insane would you be to be in the medical field and sucked into something so gross? I didn't realize that I'd get sucked in too. It started on the island in Grenada with hookahs. I thought it was fine. Slowly I became addicted, asking people to use their vapes, and then I ended up buying my own. I think at that point I was fully hooked and I was the worst. I would use this thing all day. I'm stressed from school and I'm using this as basically a pacifier. My body was stressed out. My blood pressure was the highest it's ever been. It was 135/90. And my sleep was horrible and I felt horrible. And the combination of all this made me want to skip the gym, which just exacerbated everything. I started to feel depressed for the first time in my life. I felt grumpy. I was irritable. I was not a pleasant person to be around. And the more exhausted I felt, the more I used nicotine, the more I used caffeine, and my sleep would continue to be awful. And I would feel even worse. I had no motivation to, go to the gym, take care of myself, make these videos, okay? I knew I had to overcome this addiction, which is very challenging. I know why people cannot get off of this, okay? I tried patches. They didn't work. I tried those nicotine pouches, which did seem to manage the symptoms well, and I wasn't inhaling something. That's how I, kind of accepted it. I did that for a year. I still felt drained, right? I think it's all the stress that it puts your body through and the lack of sleep. That's still there with those nicotine pouches. I was consistent. It took 4 months of failing multiple times, trying to get off, just being consistent. Eventually, I was successful. The first week and a half, I had, I had a lot of anxiety. I had a lot of irritability. But that was like for the first few days. Then I started feeling really fatigued. I allowed myself sugar to kind of compensate with some of that brain fog. But my sleep was back to normal. I was actually tired by the time I went to bed, which is what I needed. I felt less irritable as time went on. My productivity went up. I started feeling happy again. Okay, my joy for life came back, and I wanted to make videos for you guys again. If you guys are struggling with this, I know it can be tough. I'm here to give you guys motivation, give you advice about health and learning and studying. And if you guys give me a like and maybe a subscribe, I'll have more videos like this to come in the future. So far, I can just say, I'm now 4 months, no nicotine, feeling pretty damn good. And I have more challenges for myself in the future. Wishing you guys all the best.